Welcome back, viewers. Today we will be testing the SMA 950-180 indicator. But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. There is also a link down below to sign up for TradingView. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the SMA 950-180 indicator. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 49 different strategies, with 12 of them being profitable. We have also tested a total of 529 indicators, with 224 of them being winners. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. So go back and watch those videos and see what you can get out of those winning indicators. And keep in mind that we test all these strategies and indicators on the Forex market, but they can be applied to just about any market universally. Alright, so today's indicator is the SMA 950-180 indicator. And you can see it here on screen. I believe it is the SMA 9-50-180/EMA20 with buy and sell signals, but nonetheless you can see it here on screen. And so the setup on this is relatively easy. So let me go in and turn off, let's see, that one. We'll keep that one on. We'll turn off that one, and we'll turn off that one. Okay. And so we have the blue line running through the middle of the screen there. We'll go ahead and bump up the weight just a little bit more. And so what we are looking for is when price action is above the blue moving average, and then we are looking for the buy signals like this one right here, and we will go long. When it is below price action, then, or when price action is below the moving average, then we will be looking for the sell signal like this one, and we will go short. So pretty simple. Like I said, let's go ahead and get on with the testing and see what we can get out of this. Alright, so the first signal we picked up was a sell signal right here on this one. See, this big old wick came down right here and got us to our take profit. Then price action pushes up above the moving average, and we get this buy signal right here. And you can see that price action again pushes up really nicely there, getting us again to take profit. Let's go ahead and continue on. Alright, so then we pick up a buy signal right here, but price action almost immediately pushes down, stopping us out. Then we pick up this buy right here, kind of similar. Immediately price pushes down below the moving average and stops us out. Then we pick up the sell right here. Price action pushes down nicely there, getting us to take profit. And the sell right here, same deal, price action pushes down really nicely, also getting us to take profit. What I'm going to do here is go ahead and fast forward the testing, that way things don't get too long, and we'll pick this up when we are at the end of the year. Alright, so that puts us at the end of the year right there. Before we add these up, now would be a good time to say that if you are interested in excelling your trading knowledge, I highly recommend that you join our Patreon only channel on our Discord server. You can find a link to our Patreon down below, as well as a link to our Discord. Once you sign up as a patron, it'll give you access to the Patreon only channel, where we post some really great advanced information about trading strategies, trading indicators, trading philosophy in general. Our admin Jay and some of the regular members post regular market analysis, where they put up screenshots of charts where they've marked out areas of support and resistance, indicators that they're using, exactly when they're entering trades, exiting trades, taking profits, the whole deal. They're growing small accounts really quickly with the information that they're putting out for everyone to see. And as I mentioned in the beginning of the video, you'll get access to the full list of indicators that we have tested, that we have recently had transferred over into an Excel sheet. And so you'll get access to the Excel sheet and the PDF of all the indicators, showing exactly which indicators were winners, which ones were losers, as well as their win rates. And you'll get access to a Excel sheet of all the strategies that we have tested. That shows exactly which strategies were winners, which ones were losers, their win rates, as well as links to go back and review those individual videos. And another new thing that we've been doing here recently is one of our other members has put together a small handful of profitable optimized indicators that we are giving away to all the patrons for free. So there is a ton of benefits to becoming a patron of the channel, and it doesn't cost hardly anything at all. I highly recommend it. Alright, so let's go ahead and take a look at our indicator here. See what we get out of this. Get everything in focus here, so go ahead and count them out and see what we got. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. So we have 14 trades all together, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So 10 winning trades. So that is going to meet the 60% criteria. This indicator did rather well, gave very clear signals, gave a decent number of trades within a year, and did so rather accurately. And so all in all, not a bad indicator. It's a mixture of moving averages, and so definitely does better than just a single moving average as a baseline. And yeah, like I said, not too bad at all. So this one is definitely going to go on the yes list, and we'll move on to the next indicator from here.